You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 21.6k approximately, and market is going to come back down as I will be talking about today. And on BTC 4-hour chart, and we expect the market to come back into this very zone. On ETH, the same thing, we've seen a breakout on this level of support and also on the 1-day chart. So coupled with the news today, the inflation report that will come out today around 2:30 p.m. So what are we paying attention to in the markets as we see this very market coming back to the downside? All of this and more in today's video. Watch the video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart, I've been talking about market coming back down as a result of the divergence we see on the RSI indicator. But right now, if you look at the MACD, you see market is still moving down as the histogram continue its formation on the negative side of the MACD, and we are seeing market coming back down. So I'm expecting market to still move into this level of support at this very area on the chart, and this is what I am paying attention to right now. And also you have to know that this inflation report that will come out by 2 p.m. is very important, because this data is going to impact on the market price. It's going to impact on the market price, and this is very important that we wait for the data to be released first before we take any trade. And on the 4-hour charts, I am expecting this market to come back down, and after the data release, market is going to move to the upside. And the reason is because market has already dropped back down to this very level of support right here where the market is right now, and a movement to the downside will further help the market to push a little bit to the upside. So what I am expecting after the data report is the market to move to the upside regardless of where price is as at when the data will be released. ETH USD 1-day chart right here, you see this breakout. I was talking about this very level, and I said if you use the Fibonacci retracement up to this very point, you see that at this very level is the 0.382, which is very important. That is where the market is right now. So a further movement is going to send the market into the 0.50 level at this very level, which is also a key level of the Fibonacci. And one of the other key levels that we have right here is this very level of 0.618. And if you look at this very level of 0.618 very well, you see we have some resistance right at this area. We have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have some resistance at this area. We have a little spike out of resistance at this very point, and then that could turn support at this very area if the market move back into this point before the next move to the upside from this very level. So this is what I am paying attention to right now, although the inflation data report is going to influence the market. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it very well, you see market has broken this level of support. You see this is a very key support level. We have support here, we have support here, we have support here, we have support at this very area. Market breakthrough and then move to the upside, and right now I am expecting market to still continue back into this level of support. So this level of support right here is very important. I expect the market to move back down into this area prior to the CPI data, and after then we're going to see market to move to the upside after the data release. So this is what I am paying attention to. The most important thing in today's video is pay attention to the CPI data, and this data is going to impact on the market. Like I said, after the data, it can be 1 hour or 30 minutes or 4 hours after the data, the market is going to move to the upside because market has already priced in already on the chart. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. So what are you looking at on the chart right now as we are waiting for the CPI data? Do you think the data is going to be greater than the forecast, or is going to be within the forecast and the previous? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.